As we all know that earning money online is a very hard task. So today I'll show you that how could you earn money without needing a pre-requisites. You know that when you start a YouTube channel, you need at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. But today in this method, you don't need anything of that. So at first to do it, you have to go to Quora. After doing login at Google, you have to at first give this the questions, the preferences which you want. I want technologies, movies, and other things. I'm entering all of them. I'll just press done. And here as you can see it is already done. Now press here. It is called the spaces. Here what you have to do is that you have to create a space at first. Now creating a space, I am giving a description. Then I am pressing create. Here it is invite contributors to my space, so that if your Google account has any contacts which are linked to another Google account and a link to Quora, so you can import them. I'll now press keep importing for now. Here it is showing invite contributors. Contributors are the people who can edit your post and post a post too. Here by searching by name you can search anyone's name who is on the Quora platform. Here you can also get an invite link and invite your friends. I am choosing skip. Here now as you can see it hasn't created. So let us see what do we have to do at first. Here it is called edit visuals. You have to edit your visuals. It means you can change the color icon or something like that. Here for colors you have only 6 options. There is no random option, so you can only select between these 6. Here edit icon, if you have any files which you want to give icon to, you can use this. And cover photo is the background that we can see here. So next is add a first piece of content. Here adding content, you have to press create post. Here you can create a post or either ask any question. And here is invite people to follow your space. If anyone of your friend is on Quora, you can ask them to follow you and join your feed. And here is share your space to feed. It posts a link about your space. Who will click the link will be able to join our space. Here as you can see there are 5 buttons. We will go over them one by one. As invite, as we have said that you have to give a link to other people. If I press people share, you can see that the people who have joined your server. Then from your submissions, it shows that the post that others have made could be visible here or not. Here is the queue. It means that a queue you have to give a post, and when a person gives the post, it is automatically placed after the new post. It gives 4 times per day here as you can see. And for settings, we have the settings which as you can see, you can change them. You can also edit your custom URL. Yeah, as you can see, all of these are created. Now let us go to monetization. Here let us press earning programs interview. I'll select my country of residence. Then now I am pressing submit. Here there are 3 types: space subscription, Quora plus revenue sharing and ad review sharing. Space subscription means to offer a paid subscription directly to followers of your space. For this you need a pass in your space which you have to create. Quora Plus means the users who have subscribed to Quora Plus, Quora's subscription, when you visit your space, you can earn from them. And attribute sharing. The post which you made and it shows an ad, the revenue from there will be shared with you. You have to press next. Then give enable one which you think is good for you. Enable this for now. Here you can see, then I am choosing go to my space. And now you have to go to earning. Here you can see, now you have to give at least $10 to reach your minimum to receive the first payout. You have to at first set up a Stripe account to receive payouts. Press it and you have to give your email address. I'm just continuing with it. Now you have to give your mobile number. Here you have to give your OTP. Wait for it, and here you can see tell us about your business. You have to give whatever business it is. I am pressing continue. You have to give a business name and GST if you have any, but as you know that maximum of your people will be solo, so you don't have to give that, just give your company's name. Here you can see you have to give a IFSC number, account number, and you have to confirm your account number. Once you do all of these and press save, you will automatically proceed to the next step where you have to give your Aadhaar card image. At that part, you have to click a photo of your Aadhaar card and upload it. And then you have to press OK and save it. After some time, it will be fully verified. And after this, you will get the earnings here. If you reach the goal of $10, you can finally receive your first payout. If you think that this language is only for English, you are entirely wrong. You can use any language you want. So I hope you have learned in this video how can you make money without any requirements and easily with Quora. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and like this video and subscribe to my channel.